Cape buffalo. These animals have formed a quirky alliance with a noisy wingman. Yellow-billed oxpeckers spend most of their lives perched on their host, picking off parasites. No respecters of personal space, the birds will go anywhere for a tidbit. Intimate cleaning isn't the only service they provide. Nicknamed the watchbird, they've evolved a highly effective alarm system. The buffalo have learnt the oxpecker's shrill calls mean trouble. Lions, Africa's top predators. For these big cats, sound can hold the secret to a successful hunt. Today, it seems she and her family will go hungry. However, during the wet season, there's a dramatic change in the acoustics of the savannah. And it's this, along with the background din of wind and rain, that turns the odds in the lion's favor. This chaotic new soundscape drowns out the footsteps of the pride. It's a phenomenon ecologists call acoustic masking, allowing the lions to fan out across the plains, undetected by prey. The perfect conditions for getting closer than ever.